Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the ping command. Okay, the ping command is pretty simple. It just checks your connectivity status with your server and it also mirrors the response time. Alright. First of all, I have to open up the terminal, and in this video I don't need to open up the files. Alright. Okay, for the ping command, it is pretty simple. You're gonna write the ping and then you have to write the name of the website where you want to go. So I just want to ping the Google, okay, and it will send the packet request and it will start sending the packet request to the Google. Okay, so it will keep going. Okay, as you can see here that the packets are keep going. So if you just want to stop, you have to write the Control C and it will stop sending the packets to the server of the Google. Okay, as you can see here, we have transmitted 22 packets and 21 was received. So it simply means that our website is working. We are getting response from the server, and you can also see the average, minimum and the maximum, the response time. All right. Okay, if you just want to limit the number of packets you want to send, so all you need to do, you're gonna write the ping Google. All you need to do here is -c and you have to write the number of the packets you want to send. So for example, I just want to send the 5 packets, so I'm gonna write the 5 here and it will only send the 5 packets. You will see here, so 5 packets are transmitted, 5 received, and no packet loss, and everything is working fine. It means that the internet is working and the server is responding. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.